Hello everybody, how are you doing? This is Fadali and this video is about the cp command. Okay, the use of the cp command is to copy the files from your current directory to another directory or the another folder. Alright. Okay, so I'm gonna simply demonstrate you the cp command. Okay, so for that I'm gonna open up the files. So as you can see here, I'm gonna go to the download files and you can see I have a lot of files in download directory. So I just want to copy this round png into my pictures folder which has nothing in it right now. Okay, so first of all I have to go to the download folder. So for that I'm gonna write downloads. All right, and now I'm in the downloads folder. Let me just see the complete part because it will help me out in writing the full path. Okay, so I just want to copy the round.png into the pictures folder or the directory. So for that what I need to do, I'm gonna write the cp, and after that I'm gonna write the name of the file which you want to copy, which is round.png, and now you have to write the destination path, so which is in this case is the picture. So I'm gonna write home and it would be pictures. All right, and let me just open up the pictures here and I'm gonna hit the enter. Okay, so now you can see here we have successfully copied the round png or the file into another directory. So this is how the cp command works, and if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and bye bye.